I go, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. We have a lot to unpack in today's video. Lots of cleaning, lots of laundry, you guys. This is a brand new video, and this week has just been insane because my daughter was sick. She came back from youth camp, and she came back with the flu, and so she was out of school for 3 days, and so she was sick. So she's feeling much better now, and she went back to school. So I'm kind of just going through her bedroom and cleaning it out, and doing all the deodorizing and everything, and getting all of her sheets and her bedding and everything washed. Y'all, it's a lot in today's video, so buckle up because we're going for a ride. It's a lot of laundry, you guys. So we are going to start off, obviously, in my bedroom and kind of try to get this whole bed made and all the situation together. So y'all hang out with me for a while because it's going to be a wild ride.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking it. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark?
So guys, I'm going to put this in super hyper speed because it's a lot of laundry. And I don't think y'all really want to see me really fold laundry like that anymore. But this is a cleaning video, right? This is what we do. I mean, it's laundry every single day. Y'all, this is just a task that is never ending. And if you hear all the noise in the background, I'm literally in my car doing the voiceover, getting my kids from school. So I just picked Nyla up. I'm waiting for my other two kids now. So I gotta do what I gotta do when I can. Okay. So I'm doing my voiceover in the car. So pardon for all the noises and shuffling and everything. That's Nyla. So I am just going to fold this clothes. And by the way, this is round 1 of laundry. You might see me doing round 2 and 3 throughout the video. So just like I said, we're going to attack a lot of things today. We're cleaning my daughter's room. We are wiping down walls and doing all the things. So like I said, buckle up, you guys, because it's a lot in today's video. I mean, y'all know, as a family of 5, if you are a family of 5, it's hard keeping up with everyday task, everyday, laundry. And I mean, I probably do about 2 to 3 loads of laundry a day, with Nyla, especially because she soils a lot. So I'm constantly washing her bedding and her underpads and bed pads and, mattress covers and all that. It's a constant, and definitely not complaining because I am so grateful that she is here to even soil anything. you know, but it is a lot and it can get overwhelming if you let it. So I try to tackle it as often and as soon as it happens as possible, because I don't want it just lingering, because that's a lot of germs and bacteria. Y'all know how that goes. So we're getting through laundry right now.
Baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, the one I pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call on me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this bar?
So now I am in my daughter's bedroom, and I stripped her bed and took all her bedding off, and now I'm just putting her top sheet on. This is not the sheet that's going to go on. I'm waiting for her fitted sheet. It's actually in the wash right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the top sheet on there, and then her blanket. And once everything comes out, we'll remake the bed. But just for now, I just wanted to clean her room. At this point in time, she's actually doing the Beetlejuice play at school. So I went on opening night, and she had 3 shows, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Today, when you're watching this, is obviously on a Friday, but this video has been filmed for like 2 weeks now. So it's actually March 8th. So she is doing the play right now, and I just wanted to go ahead and clean her room because she's been trying to do it since she started feeling better. She still felt a little bit weak, she said. So I just kind of wanted to surprise her with, you know, her room being clean and everything, because she was kind of having a hard time cleaning her room, getting it cleaned, and her chores are the bathrooms, struggling with that, and, you know, her homework, schoolwork, all the things. So I was like, I'm just gonna help her out. And she was so surprised and grateful when she got home and saw that her room was clean, and just one of the tasks just knocked off of her list. So I'm just doing that right now. I'm gonna vacuum, gonna dust, gonna do all the things in her room, because trust me, it needed it.
But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
So by the way, this is the vacuum I was telling you guys about. Y'all, I struggle with this vacuum so much in this room. I cannot wait to throw it out and get a brand new one. I am budgeting and saving up to get a brand new one. I found the vacuum that I want to get, and I've always wanted to get this vacuum. It's a Dyson, but I have to save up for it because, y'all, it's like $500, and I still can't justify spending that kind of money on a vacuum. But if there is a vacuum that is out there that is less than $500, please, somebody let me know down in the comment section and save me from spending that kind of money. I am literally like dreading spending $500 on a vacuum because, like I said, I still just can't justify it, but I need a good vacuum, you guys. I need something that is going to last a long time and not just break down every time I use it. You will see throughout the video, I literally had to get down on my hands and knees to vacuum because it just won't suck anything up off the ground. So please, somebody help me. So all this juice stains and all this is from Nyla. She throws her cup, and Nyla's room is right next to my Michaela's room, so she throws her juice cups and it just ends up on the walls all over. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it down and get all those stains from off the wall. You'll also see me step out into the hallway because it was all over the hallway walls as well. That clip, I don't know what happened to it, but that's what happened. I cleaned all the juice stains off of the wall, and so now I'm just wiping down her dresser.
I've been losing sleep, what to do? Could somebody come and take me away? I've been in the deep without you, and I got it in my head night and day. But we are one step closer. We're all in this together, put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one step closer. Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, moving on the world. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on, we got it going, stand strong, it looks like we.
So you guys, if you hear any music, that's just the guy, I don't know, one of the parent outside, their car, the stereo system is on high. But as you can see, I'm literally pushing the clothes because it's so much. It's so much of it. And it was a lot of blankets and they were heavy. And y'all, I've been doing laundry all day. So I'm like, I'm pushing you down the stairs. So that's what I was doing here, you guys. Sometimes you really have to laugh at yourself because chores is a lot, okay? And while I love cleaning my home and love doing chores, y'all, sometimes I just want to throw everything out the window. Do I have anybody out there that agrees? Like, I just want to throw stuff out the window sometimes. I'm like, where does all this clothes come from? Where does all this dirt, mess, where does it all come from? And sometimes I just want to take everything and throw it through the window. Also, I wanted to get this laundry room done, you guys, and I'm telling you, I had so many plans for this laundry room, and I wanted to get it like sheetrock and painted and crown moldings and, you know, wallpaper and all the things, and we just didn't get to it. So hopefully in the new house, my laundry room is already set up with all the mechanics, and all I have to do is just add some personalized touches to it. You know, because I definitely do want a separate laundry room, and I definitely want to make it girly because it's kind of my space. I mean, my family does laundry as well, but they don't do it as often as I do. So I kind of want like a girly space. So I'm very excited about the next home, and hopefully we have a laundry room in the next home as well.
Wake me from this dream I've been in. I need to get in closer to you. I swear you might succeed. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you. Now we are one step closer. We're all in this together. Put your hand in mine. Yeah, we are one.
Y'all, when I tell you it was a lot of laundry, I had to just stop and breathe because, oh my word, that was a task. So now we are in the kitchen, and I am putting away the dishes and washing the dishes that's in the sink. Also, I'm going to be starting dinner as well, so you'll get to see a little bit of that. And then we're gonna head back, you know, doing whatever it is that we're gonna be doing after this, you guys. I lost count after a while. Like, this is insane. Like, how did my laundry get to be this much? I don't know. This is insane. So yeah, y'all help me put the dishes away.
you gotta be afraid. I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right, while you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gon' leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step.
So right now, you guys, I am just making dinner and I'm preparing this beautiful vegetable bowl because I'm actually making chicken fried rice. And I am so excited about it, and it turned out really, really good. It was my first time making it, and it was actually really, really good. My mom sent me a recipe off of TikTok, and I just decided that I was going to make it for dinner. So this is my last load of laundry. Well, not my last load, but my last go around for the night of laundry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was motivational for you as well. Thank y'all so much for joining me. I will see you guys next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you and I love you too. See you guys next time. Bye.
To the light, if I don't get you, shawty.